Today, I'm going to teach you how to record a Zoom meeting without permission. This is particularly useful when you need to save important discussions, review key points later, or share the content with colleagues who couldn't attend. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the Zoom app on your computer. Once it's launched, you'll need to either join an existing meeting or start a new one. This setup is essential because Zoom's recording features are only accessible when you're actually in an active meeting session. Now that you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several control buttons. Click on Settings. This button opens up all the configuration options you'll need to customize how your recordings are saved and managed. In the Settings window that appears, look at the right panel where you'll see various categories. Click on Recording. This section is where Zoom stores all the controls related to recording meetings, including where your files will be saved and what format they'll use. Within the recording settings, navigate to Storage Location. This is crucial because it determines where Zoom will save your recorded files. Click on Change to modify the default location. A file browser will pop up, allowing you to select your preferred landing folder. Choose a location that's easy to remember and has enough storage space for your recordings. Once you've selected your folder, click OK to confirm your choice. Now that you've set your preferred storage location, go ahead and close the recording settings. You've completed the configuration part and you're ready to start recording. Back in the main meeting window, look at the bottom toolbar again. Click on the More button, which typically shows 3 dots. This button reveals additional meeting options that aren't immediately visible. From the menu that appears, select Record. As soon as you click this option, Zoom will automatically begin recording your meeting. You'll notice a small recording indicator appear on your screen, confirming that the recording is active. If at any point during the meeting you need to stop or pause the recording, simply click the Record button again. This gives you full control over what gets captured, allowing you to pause during breaks or stop the recording entirely when the important discussion ends. And that's it. You've successfully set up and recorded your Zoom meeting. Your recording will be automatically saved to the folder you selected earlier. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.